Box cover, this is Dutty Berry and I'm here downtown Kingston for another edition of Answer This. Now today, I'm going to ask a question. Gage have a song and it called Something Boy. And if you see the music video, it feature mackerel and all of these are things. But the question I'm going to ask is, what does it mean when somebody says something boy? What am I really try to express? So now I'm going to just walk up and down, talk to the people them and hear how them are going to answer this. Check it out.
Girl, you have the done thing.
Alright, so I'm there with Carry On. So Gage have a song and the name Something Boy. So me ask, what it mean when a man come to you and say, yo, Carry, you know, something boy, you know, something boy. What am really I try to say?
I try to say basically, you know, everything boy, you enhance me, my attention.
Yeah, man, him love it, yeah.
Yeah, I love you. Yeah, everything boy, you just magnificent and you want to know you, yeah.
That's nice.
So man now when they come to you and tell them something there?
Yeah, but you know.
And what the compliment them I give you? What them really I say special about Carry?
Yeah, they must say, you know, okay, yeah, your body nice.
Yeah.
You know, I want up the body there, yeah.
Yes. So you ever tell a man say something nice about him yet?
No, but that's what I tell them, say, you know, I like, you know, keep it simple, you don't want to play too
So you
easy.
actually, you know, mind go up to a man and say, yo, you know, me like you and something, you know, nervous, you know, shy?
No, I'm not go up to them, I'm come to me.
Oh, and you just, you know, that time I run down a man, a boy,
exactly.
I come to you.
Yeah, no boy.
Man, okay.
And there's going to be lots more confusion.
Something boy.
Alright, so I'm there with Dawson. Gage have a song with him, Something Boy. What it mean when a Jamaican say Something Boy?
Normally, the way them dress, the style them have,
Yeah.
the vibes them have. Sometimes I have normally the body, which them come up with and so forth. Because you know, some girls them love the gym and so forth.
Oh, okay, so body stay good on them something there.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so in the video, the Gage video, Mackerel did in there. If you did see Mackerel right now, where that say to her, like Something Boy, you could have find something about her where you could have said, yeah man, she can go on with.
Well, normally she have a different unique style of approach and
Yeah.
thing. So basically, for her personality.
Our personality could have probably draw you.
Yeah, her personality can be jarring because her personality different from other normal regular girls and so forth, yeah.
You hear that, Mackerel? Dawson is very open and available to you. Just contact him, okay? Dawson just said that he would give Mackerel a chance. Okay?
What is it?
Alright.
You and I go sweet together. We got babies together. Married together.
Alright, so Gage, our song name Something Boy. What it mean, like when Jamaicans say Something Boy, you say, if you see a brother and you see him over this and you say, yo, my youth, Something Boy, what you really I try to say?
Well, to be honest, I wouldn't say if I look at a guy and say something boy, basically I like him dressing code or I just like him body settings. Yeah, that's what it mean for me.
So when the last time you see one youth and you step to him and say that?
Well, just a while ago I saw one boy pass and I tell you, Jesus,
you
him
say,
body,
yeah.
something about him.
Them something turn you on.
Turn me right on.
Jesus free.
And the bike them, the big bike them.
Oh, so you like man, I ride bike and them something there?
What?
When you hear the bike, what come to your mind or go through your
Wet
body?
up same time, I tell
Jesus!
you. Wet up right. Wet right.
So a man ever say something, a man ever step to you and say, yo, my girl, something about you and have me away.
Well, yeah, my baby father.
And what am I talk about to him and say there's something there? What am I talk about?
Why only him one know? More basically I'm
That's crime, you said something good.
yeah, tight.
Queen promotion.
Well, I know my baby father Jesus.
Can't left.
Can't live.
Jesus, we really heard it here. Alright, so I'm there with a general named Cryptic. So Gage have a song named Something About You. What it mean when a Jamaican man like step to a girl and say, yo, my girl, something about you probably have me away?
Well, based upon my knowledge or based upon my experience then, she have to look exceptionally different, you know. Like not like the standard female, isn't it?
Yeah.
She have to stand out.
A girl ever see you yet and say, yo, my youth, something about you have me away?
Well, first of all, I'm a man or two in the excitement, is what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So if she come to me and whatever you see, me know for deal with that is me. Nobody know for know.
Yeah.
They're not cheating thing or whatever, you see me? But nobody know for know.
So if Mackerel did for step to you right now, if Mackerel see and say, yo, she want to take you away from whosoever you have right now, how you respond?
Mackerel not special, you know, because she love man, you see me? And
So you could have got there, so?
no.
Not at all.
Alright, so I'm there with these two lovely ladies. What your name?
Shania. Natalia.
Alright, so I say Gage of a song it named Something Boy Yo. Like if you see a youth and you say Something Boy Yo my youth, what you really are trying to tell him say?
Some kind of alright, I try to pinpoint that something different about him. Like some my you look good enough, but there's something
You're different from the
find.
other boy, them, you know.
Yeah.
Like your walk
Something just
or your
dead there,
drink.
yeah, try.
Look back at you. Look back at you.
So is there any Jamaican celebrity right now that you just say Something Boy Yo? That you feel like you could have used and say you don't really know why you kind of, draw to the person, but you draw to them? Who that?
More like Quiet Perry.
Oh, okay.
Oh my God! Wow! Oh my God!
Yes, Quiet Perry.
Some about him.
Yes.
Say they
very
don't want Dirty
dramatic.
Berry and you going to mention Quiet Perry. You say, I don't know something there.
Something boy, yeah.
Yes,
What you
Quiet
said to see him to the 200 last year?
Yes, Quiet
Okay.
Perry.
Well, all right, you heard it here. Slap right in my face. They hear nothing about me. Okay, I walk off. You see that?
And nothing. Look back at you. Look back at you. You know see a yard man this back at you. Look.
All right, so we're there with the general, right? All right, so Gage of a song named Something Boy Yo. Someone want to know, when a Jamaican man like you step to a girl and you say, Something Boy Yo, what you really are trying to say?
Something about that girl, either she look good,
Yeah.
smell good, body up and tan and things like that.
Yeah.
Hey, for real.
So a woman ever say something about you yet? A woman ever sit here and say, yo, right, me don't know why me like you, but something about you just draw me to you.
Quite a few times, yeah.
Oh, so you get that?
Yeah.
So what the little thing them normally find special about you now, right?
Well, I don't know if I should have said it, but
No, you can't say it, man.
Can't say it?
You can't say it.
well, really and truly, girl walk up to me and say that
Yeah.
more than one time.
Oh,
you know?
oh, regular, yeah.
Girl will say, yo, John, like just like how you flex, I like how you
Yeah.
talk, I like your style or
Yeah.
something. You know, with this and with that, yo. You see
Yeah.
me I say?
Something boy, yeah.
Alright, so now I'm there with my friend, let's call her Win Some for today.
Yeah, we'll solve it to them in here.
Alright, so when a Jamaican says something about you, what do you mean?
They don't make them call them a curse. Say, cussing not have good word.
Some man never says something about you yet. Win Some says something about you, Win Some just kinda, you just have me away.
You always say something about me have me away.
So what good boy you saw the man always talk
My
about?
shape good.
Oh gosh. Oh
My mother
God.
shape my good.
Oh, so you have it from long time, so
From
that
long
you
time.
always hear say, yeah. Why?
And we some shape good.
Yeah.
I'm a band shape good.
Oh gosh.
Yeah.
So you ever tell a man say something about him just have your way too?
I mean, yeah, cause the personality.
Oh yes.
Yeah, and them teeth them look
Oh,
white.
you like them look something there, yeah.
Yes, and them color. And
Oh, you love man, they smell good and them look something
yes,
there.
and the teeth smell nice and good looking.
Okay, all right, Win Some, take care.
Look back at you.
Some of the general downtown and so Gage have a song it named Something Boy Yo. Wait me now, cause I know you're a man on the street and you know things. Wait me when a Jamaican tell a girl say something boy yo.
Well, I don't know, see a girl and say something about her.
Yeah.
So I mean she look nice, look gorgeous, look sexy, look round. So I mean just a bag of thing when him say something about her.
Yeah.
And I just one thing.
What the last girl where you see and say, yo, my girl, something boy yo?
Alright, I say, baby,
Yeah.
you have a nice walk.
Jesus.
I like your style.
Yeah.
You're intelligent.
Yeah.
I love how you talk.
And after that they get number easy down.
Boy, may I tell you.
That's nice.
Me I talk about him body. Something about him body, my
So what
man.
kind of body man you like?
Thick eyes.
Oh, them look something there. So like,
Yeah, 'cause
can
them
tall
some
or short?
As long as him thick and sexy, no problem.
Oh, wow, so them look something like the six pack and them look something they
yeah,
love.
yeah, I love them something there.
Oh, wow, so you would have step up to a man and say, yo, some boy you know my youth. You know,
Yeah, I would have do it.
You wouldn't shy?
No, I'm not shy. What me I shy for?
You mean if them say you would see a youth and you walk up to him and say, yo, I like something boy, you know, give me a number. You do them little things there?
Yeah, I'm not shy for the them
No,
something there.
you do it already? You do it in the past and it work out for you?
Even if them a pass, me tell them so them sexy same way.
You never know, say, so you're a real Jenna in the streets and you go on shy, K. So a man ever tell you, say, yo, something special about you, you know, K.
Always.
And when him say that, how am I talk?
My body, I'm sexy. Me
Say
know.
just, no, you know say you're sexy.
Yeah, come I always see it.
Oh, turn around when people them, Jesus Christ, you petite and beer things and from a long time you at. And I
Yeah.
just know. Okay, K. Wait mean when a Jamaican man step to you and say, yo, Zoe, something boy you have me away. What am I trying to say?
Probably it's my beauty.
Oh, wow.
Or probably how I look, how I dress, or how
Yes.
I act, or my personality. Because and from that, I don't know what I talk about.
So regular, you
Yeah.
just use the man and get drop the
Yes,
compliment. What them
I
normally
will.
tell you, say when you walk a road, what them say to you, Zoe?
Alright, you really want to know?
I wanna know.
Seriously want to know?
I really want to know.
Alright, sweetie.
Yes.
Alright, so them say, you look good brown in one go on.
Yes,
Just,
mhm.
yeah, all of them something there.
How you feel? I walk at one side, I'm like,
No.
oh, you,
In a phrase.
oh, you're not frightened for you compliments them.
Everyday thing that, the work come do, everyday thing that, me used to it.
All right, so I want to switch it around now. So if you there out now, say they want function, now, if they want to look wedding the reception and you see one youth step in now.
All right,
You ever say like, yo, something about the boy they know that want to know further?
Nope, never.
So you never see a man and the man just kind of
I say a
excited
guy,
and
excite me, yes, but I'm not going to say something about you with my life, no?
you just gonna make him do it.
Why not?
Not even a little subtle, little something, you're not gonna flip your ear or drop something on the ground and pick it up. No, look there.
After man of God.
No, you see this girl, if you know Zoe in her real life, like message her and give her some compliment. Just go into her DMs and say any type of thing. Just say all kind of something. Come on, because see if Zoe is human or robot, because nobody can make you weak. You can't friend for one person.
All the person got more weak, God.
Back at you, look back at you. I think on my face like a real crook.
Alright, so I'm there with Jalai downtown, and now the question is, what does it mean when a Jamaican are gonna say something about you? Where you try to express?
Well, it's like so when I want to say, there's something about you. That means there's something extraordinary about you, man. You're like boy, you look good, or you
Something
look
like your baby mother, you did step to her and say, you know, say something special.
Yeah.
And what was a special thing the way you say and say something about you, my girl?
Well, it's like say, my girl, you just look good, man.
Yeah, when you sleep, you have to think about
yeah,
her,
you have
them
to think
somebody.
about you. There's just something about you where me care. Sometimes there's something about you, you know.
Yeah.
Where you can't even think, you can't
put your finger upon it,
but there's something about you.
So woman never tell you say, yo, you have something about you what's special.
Yeah,
and what the special thing with them always talk about?
Yeah, man, them talk about say, well, there's something about you walk, you know, you like how you look.
Oh, so them say them like how you look and all kind of things.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Shape-wise or face-wise.
Yeah.
Yeah. You look nice, or you know, say like me now. You know, say blackening and half a bleach, you know.
Yeah.
You look nice, and yeah. I like your color.
And make you feel good, yes.
Yeah, I feel nice, you see me.
So the compliment when you normally go to them when you step a road and the man might give you the compliment, what them always hype you about?
My shape and
Yes.
my beauty, my blackness.
Yes.
Yeah, my
I just love
proud
it.
Yeah.
So me I switch it around now. Warm to when you see a man and you say something about the youth there.
Yeah, enough time I see boy, I'm say, no man, you look nice. That's me.
Really?
But sometimes I like them thickness.
Yeah. So Gage, our song name something boy, right? Yeah. So I want to forget from you now, because you're a nice hot girl and thing. When a Jamaican man like probably step to you and say, my girl, something boy you, what really I try to say?
My must say about the good up and all these things. Yeah.
And before you mention all these things, because I'm in the video and beer something there. So like, so what kind of things boy you the man them always say, yo, something boy you me like? What them normally I say? The face, the shape, the cooking, the what?
Baby, you look good and your shape good.
Yeah.
Good all and them something.
Alright, somebody, what's your name, brother?
Well, my name Papi, you know.
Oh, Papi. Alright, so Gage have a song named Something Boy You. What it mean when a Jamaican tell a girl to something boy you? What that mean? What you try to say?
The girl look nice, you know, and she look sexy, you know, wonderful, you know, me that carry home with me, you know, that's why I say that, you know.
Yeah.
Because she look like a wife too, you know, she look.
Like she have all of them little something there.
Yeah.
When the last time you tell one girl say something about her just kind of have you?
Well, you know, say to me, a working man, me hardly bought them up on the road, but no one then me see them and say, hey, baby, you look good, you know.
Yeah.
You look nice, you know, keep it up, you know.
Yeah, and them look something, them feel good.
Yeah, them feel good, you know, because them worth it, you know, feel good, you know. That's how you go, you know.
A girl ever tell you say something special about you yet?
Yeah, man.
And what the thing when them normally say, Papi have was special?
Well, them not say, Papi, you know, say, me like, you look slim, you look neat, you know.
Yeah.
I mean, that every day, you know.
Yeah.
But you have to have your money, you know.
Yeah.
You say, me always have my money, you know, see that? Yeah. Kind, you know.
And that make you feel good and them look something there.
Yeah, you know. Yeah, that make me feel real nice.
Alright, so Papi, we're on YouTube now, so big up anybody where you want big up.
Well, I want to big up all of the people, them, all of the girls, them, you know, and all my friends, them, you know.
Yeah.
Keep stand safe and, you know,
Yeah.
go good and not make nobody kill when I kill nobody, you know. That's how me see it, you know.
Alright, see if you see him downtown, make sure you say support the brother business. Alright,
Yes,
show them where
man.
the bulla donut and them something.
Yeah, man, it's nice. It's when you eat one of them, you want one more feet, because they're nice, real nice. I done very sell still.
Alright, I'm going to support your business right now, alright?
Alright, me done, me love that, me love that.
Alright, so well, that is it for this episode of Answer This. So I walk around, I ask the people them if them, ever tell somebody say, yo, them have something special about them, and we get some wide range of responses. Now, I forgot big up Shanifa right here, so because boy, at one point in time, the people them never want to talk, and she carry me to some and get me. So Shanifa, you can big up anybody you want to big up right now.
Well, more than like to big up my mother,
Yes.
Sophia. I'm like to big up my daughter, Kelly Sakar. Yeah.
Okay. So that is it, people. Take care until next time. No, don't want to. No, try not. Answer this.
Yeah.
Give me a name again.
Yeah.
Give me a name.
I'm right.
I'm Roy.
Yeah.
All right, ready? All right, somebody there with the general. I'm Roy. So Gage of a song.
No, start again.
I'm Roy.
Not I'm right.
Well.
My name is Roy.
Oh, Roy. Oh,
Archie.
ready. Keep on care. A puppy tail or something.
Puppeteer,
Me no know which dancer
I'm
was it.
close, I have to be professional.
Anybody where you want big up?
Yo, big up Vibes Cartel, you see me? Whole heap of hits, you see me I say? Big up yourself. Up top.
Cool.
Yellow bubble, yellow bubble, yellow bubble. We Pepsi no bubble up. Wala na a gyal a hate and the man a mine. Designer the home with the bar,